Hello, Namaskar, good morning. Here I have one circuit which is in the form of Wheatstone bridge circuit. This is the capacitor circuits. If capacitors are replaced by resistors, then how can we solve this type of circuits? Here I take the case of capacitors. First of all, Wheatstone bridge circuit are in the form of parallelogram, and the condition for balancing Wheatstone bridge, say I draw one circuit here, and here is another capacitor, fifth capacitor, and here is battery connected. I put here name A and B. So across the AB battery is connected, say plus and minus, and here I put the names rather DE in place of C. I put here DE. Okay, and for this capacitor in the branch AD, I put here C1. For this capacitor in the branch DB, I put here C2. For this capacitor in the branch AE, I name this capacitor C3, and for the capacitor in the branch EB, I put name here C4, and the fifth one I name here C5. So this is also the form of Wheatstone bridge in the form of parallelogram. For balancing of Wheatstone bridge, we should remember C1 C4 here in this case is equal to C2 C3. If this condition meets, then we can say no charge will flow through capacitor C5 and capacitor C5 will be open circuited. In the case of resistors also, if R1 in place of C1, R2 in place of C2, R3 in place of C3 and R4 in place of C4 as well as R5 in place of C5 taken, then we can also write for case of resistor R1 R4 is equal to R2 R3. So if this condition, I write here, if this condition meets, then we can say the Wheatstone bridge circuit is balanced, otherwise unbalanced. So generally questions are asked on balanced Wheatstone bridge circuit. So I move further. Here in the capacitor circuit, it is given C1 1 microfarad, C2 3 microfarad, C4 2 microfarad, C3 1 microfarad, C5 6 microfarad, and battery is 10 volt. And we have to find the equivalent capacitance between the branch AB. And if I put here D and E, then we see here, first we will check always in this type of Wheatstone bridge circuit. This is in the rectangular form. So we can see here, if C1 C5 is equal to C2 C4, that is 1 into 6 is equal to 2 into 3, so we can say this circuit is balanced. Therefore, here in the branch C3 no charge will flow and C3 will be open circuited. C3 will be open circuited. Now the question is, here is C3 is open circuited, then how can we redraw this circuit? So for this one, this circuit, we have seen that this is balanced Wheatstone bridge circuit. So I redraw the new circuit. So for new circuit, I put here C1 and I put here C2, then I put here C4 and last one C5, and here is battery connected, and here is A and B. So we simply open this C3. Now we see here C1 and C2 are in series, also C4 and C5 are in series, and the combination is in parallel. So we can easily find out the equivalent capacitance between A and B. So in this way, let C dash be the capacitance of C1 and C2 in series, and C1 and C2 it is given 1 microfarad and 3 microfarad. So in series 1 into 3 upon 1 plus 3, that is 3 by 4 microfarad. Likewise, the equivalent or total capacitance of C4 and C5 also in series. So we put here C double dash, and C double dash will be equal to C4 C5 upon C4 plus C5, and this is 2 into 6 upon 2 plus 6, and this will be equal to 12 upon 8, that is 3 upon 2 microfarad. So C dash and C double dash will be in parallel now across the AB. So CAB or C equivalent, we write CAB or C equivalent will be C dash plus C double dash, and this will be 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2, 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2. We can solve it, that is 6 by 4, 9 by 4. So the total is 9 by 4, and this will be equal to 2.25 microfarad. This is the answer, 2.25 microfarad. I write here mu f microfarad, 2.25. So in this way we can solve the circuit of Wheatstone bridge. Another form of Wheatstone bridge circuit is in this form. This one, this, and here is another capacitor connected like this, and here is capacitor connected like this. A and B we put here. If I put here 1 and 6, 2 and 3 and 5 in this way. So in the question, if it is given, so first name the C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 etc. and see the condition. So product of capacitance opposite, C check if equal, then no charge will flow here in this capacitor whatsoever be the value. It may be 5 microfarad, it may be 10 microfarad, 15 microfarad or any value. No charge will flow, and this branch I put here DE, this branch will be open circuited, and the remaining two capacitors on upper portion will be in series and on lower portion also will be in series, and combination will be in parallel. So you can easily solve, and you can also find the equivalent capacitance as well as charge stored by battery or supplied by battery. Q is equal to C equivalent by using this formula, C equivalent into V. Here in the case we are getting 2.25 multiply 10, so 22.5 microcoulomb. Okay. Now another form of Wheatstone bridge circuit in the form of triangle, like in one delta there will be star connected, here is the battery connected, here is one capacitor, another capacitor, and here is one capacitor. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 capacitor and one is battery. Say battery voltage or battery capacity is E, and here we can put AB, ABD, and here we can put F in the neutral point, this point F. So this is also in the form of Wheatstone bridge circuit. How? Let us check. Say here if I put at random C1, C2, here the capacitor I name between branch A and F C5, and between B and F I name here C3, and between branch B and D I name here C4. So just draw Wheatstone bridge in the form of parallelogram, and your job will be easy. And here I put battery, and battery capacity is E, you know, given. So I put here battery is connected between F and D. So I put here F and here is D. Battery is connected between F and D. Now between F and this I take the name A and B. A and here is B. A and B. Okay. Between F and A, capacitor is C5. Between A and D, capacitor is C2. Just C. Between F and B, capacitor is C3. Between D and B, capacitor is C4. And between A and B, capacitor is, I draw here, capacitor is C1. So if C5 C4 is equal to C2 C3, then no charge will flow through the branch AB, that is through the capacitor C1, and capacitor C1 will be open circuited, and in that case C5 C2 in series, C3 and C4 will be in series, and the combination will be in parallel, and you can get the equivalent capacitance between point F and D in this way. So there are three forms of Wheatstone bridge. One is here triangular form, another is rectangular form, and third one is lattice form. So all three forms all three forms can be redrawn in the form of parallelogram here, as I draw here in this below circuit. So here answer will be if I put here A and B finally, so CAB will be 2.25, and do not forget to write the unit microfarad, and charge supplied by the battery is equal to 22.5 microcoulomb. And you can also find the energy stored by capacitors by using the formula half C equivalent into V square, and also charge stored by C1 C2 and C4 C5, because C1 and C2 in series, so same charge will be stored, as well as C4 and C5 are in series, so same charge will be stored. So depending upon the capacity of C1 and C2 in series as well as C4 and C5 in series, the charges will be distributed. Total charge supplied is 22.5 microcoulomb, and you can do that one. So thank you so much. This is regarding solving the problem of Wheatstone bridge circuit.